Hello friends, my name is Kishori Abdar, Department of Computer Science from HM College, Karad. Today I am going to deliver lecture on iterative statement. Okay, let us see what is meant by iterative statement. Iterative statements consist of some block of statement that execute repeatedly until some condition is met. So that this statement is called as iterative statement. Iterative statement also called as looping statement. Okay, there are three types of iterative statement. First one is while, second one do while, and third one is for loop statement. Okay, every loop consists of block of statement and that statement executed repeatedly. Okay, and these statement consist of three most important points. Our first point is initialization. Okay, here we initialize the variable. Second one is updating the variable, means incrementing the variable as well as decrementing the variable. Third one, okay, first iterative statement means what? We execute the statement repeatedly, but question is that at what point the execution will stop. Okay, so we need to give condition. At that time the loop will be terminated. Okay, if we not given the condition, then the loop will execute it repeatedly at infinite number of time. Okay, so these points are important. Let us see our first loop, while statement. Syntax of while statement is while. Here we write the condition, curly bracket open, curly bracket close. Inside the curly bracket we write the block of statement. Here we write n number of statements, semicolon indicate end of the statement. Here we also write increment or decrement. Okay, means plus plus or minus minus. Okay, this block of statement execute repeatedly until the condition is false. Okay, this block of statements is executed repeatedly until the condition is false. At the end we write default statement. This default statement is not a part of while loop. It is written outside the loop. Okay, this block of statement executed repeatedly is called as iteration. Okay, suppose this block of statement executed 5 times. Okay, so number of iteration of this loop is 5. Okay, let us see some examples. Suppose I want to print n natural number. Okay, suppose I want to print n natural number. Here I take value of n is 100. So here I want to print number 1 to 100. First our point is initialization. Here I take variable I. Next point increment or decrement. So here I take I plus plus. Our syntax is while, in bracket here I write I is less than equal to 100. Okay, so here I print 1 to 100 natural number. Our first point is initialization. So I is equal to 0. Curly bracket open. Our first printf statement. Here we print value of the variable backslash n comma I. Okay. Here we use increment operator. We also write I is equal to I plus 1. Okay. Curly bracket close. Next, let us see how it will be executed. First, our first point is we initialize the value 0. Control goes to the while loop. It will check value of I is less than or equal to 0. Yes, true. So control goes to the printf statement and it will print 0. Another, it will goes to the I plus plus, means value of I plus plus is 1. Then it goes to the curly bracket. Again control goes to the while loop. Value of I is 1. 1 is less than equal to 0. True. Then printf statement, it will print 1. Again 1 is go to the I plus plus, means updating the variable. 1 plus plus means here 2. Again control goes to the while loop. Value of I is 2. 2 is less than equal to 100. Control goes to the printf statement and it will print 2. It is up to the 99. Okay, it is up to the 99. If value of I is 99, then it go to the I plus 99 plus 100. Okay, again control go to the while loop. It will check value of I is less than or equal to 100. True. Then it go to the printf and it will print 100. Again I plus plus means 100 plus 1, 101. Control goes to the while loop. It will change value of I is less than or equal to 100. Statement is false. So control cannot go to the inside the block. It go to the outside of the loop and the statement will be skipped. Okay, this is about while statement. It is top tested loop or it is also called as entry control loop. Our second point is do while loop. Okay, while loop and do while loop both are same, but there is little but difference between do and while. Okay, while is a entry control loop and do while is a exit control loop. Why while is a entry control loop? In like while loop we first test the condition. Okay, we first test the condition, after that block of statement will be executed. But in do while statement it is a exit control. But in do while loop statement we will execute block of statement first and then we check the condition. Okay, then we check condition. Let us see the syntax of do while statement. Okay, do curly bracket open, here we print our statement increment and decrement, curly bracket close, while in bracket our condition. At the end we use semicolon. Okay, here we also take same example. Here I want to print n natural number. Value of n is 100. Okay, so here we check I is equal to 0. Here we initialize the value. Here condition is I is less than equal to 100. Okay, our first point is I is initialized to 0. Control goes to the printf statement. Okay, control goes to the printf statement. It will print value of I is 0. Okay, value of I is 0. I plus plus means 1. Control goes to the while part. It will check value of I is less than equal to 100. True. Then it prints 1. Again control goes to the I plus plus. Again it will check. It prints 2 up to 100. Okay, this is about do while statement. Here control enter into the loop. After that we will check the condition. Our third point is for loop statement, which is very important part and very flexible looping statement in C language. Okay, this is also same like while statements. Why? Because it is also called as top tested loop. But advantages is that it combines the initialization, test the condition, increment and decrement at one statement. Okay, what is syntax of for loop statement? For, here we write expression 1. For loop statement consists of 3 expression: expression 1, expression 2 and expression 3. Okay, expression 1 consists of initialization, expression 2 consists of condition and expression 3 consists of increment or decrementing the variable. Okay, every expression separated with the help of and here we also take same example. Here I also want to print n natural number, then I is equal to 0. So our first expression consists of initialization. So I is equal to 0 expression. Here we write the